Callie's gonna help. Find the spruce tips, Callie. Okay, so now that we have our spruce tips harvested, we're going to go ahead and make some balsamic vinegar out of it. This is a recipe I found on YouTube by Haphazard Homestead. I'll go ahead and link that in the description, but I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So this is a fairly easy recipe. All that you need are your spruce tips, honey, apple cider vinegar, and peppercorn. All right. So first thing, some people like to chop their spruce tips. I'm not going to. We'll see if that matters later. But what you're going to do is you're going to fill up the mason jar. In the original video, it calls for 2 cups, and I already pre-measured ours. So I know that there's about a half cup of spruce tips that go into this. Every time I make something, there's always one jar that something happens to. And so I just always know that's going to be the one that me and Michael use and not the one I give away. So from here, no matter what size jar you're using, once you've measured out the spruce tips, you want to use an equal part apple cider vinegar. So since we use half a cup of spruce tips, we're going to go ahead and use half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And if it doesn't fill all to the top, you can always go back once you add your honey. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add about a half a tablespoon. The last ingredient you're going to add is going to be your peppercorn. It's kind of up to your discretion how long you want to prepare it. The person that created this recipe, she saved it for 3 months and that won awards at fairs. So we're going to try to hold out as long as we can, but since we made 6 jars, we're probably going to taste them. And we'll let you know once we do some experimenting. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It means a lot to us if you like and subscribe, and if you want to see more, comment below.